So far today, there have been 666 cancellations, and over at Midway, another 124 flights canceled.
It's a zoo, yeah. I mean, there's so many people here.
Bobby Mansopoulos was delayed, diverted, and disrupted.
I was supposed to actually fly in from Baltimore later tonight, and that was canceled, so then I had to hurry and find another flight. So I actually flew out of Reagan in D.C. I found one last flight, got in, and now here I am looking for my bags at.
But he eventually made it back to Chicago after a full day of flying. He is one of thousands of air travelers dealing with frustrating weather delays on one of the busiest travel days of the year.
You can see all the snow on the ground.
Gianna Smith says she was flying home to Chicago from Florida and was lucky to get ahead of the storm.
Just beat the blizzard. Like, you saw all of the things on Facebook about the blizzard and how much snow is going to come in. We were like, oh my gosh, we better not get delayed or anything, but we just beat it.
The weather snarled traffic on the roadways in and around O'Hare. Meantime, at Union Station,
the absolute busiest day of the year is the Sunday after Thanksgiving, and it makes sense, right? Some people take all the week off, but nearly everybody needs to be home or school or work by Monday morning.
Thousands of passengers from all over the country filtered through the rail hub, which sees 55 trains a day. University of Wisconsin lacrosse student Annie Panico says the rail is one way to avoid the road.
But I'm glad that I'm taking the train so that I can get back to school without having to worry about driving down in the snow.
Charles and Virginia Roach were in town to visit their daughter for Thanksgiving, but now they're returning to Minnesota.
We didn't have the fuss